For my firebase project, I coded a memory game. It's similar to the verbal test on Human Benchmark. I modeled it after that. The goal of the game is to obviously get the highest score, and how to play is whether you have seen the word or not. If you have seen it, you click seen. If you have not seen it, you click new. And you just go through, try to get the highest score you can. I'll just get a quick score here. Must have saw one of those words. Notorious, we haven't seen that. Garbage. Oh, we hadn't seen that. Highway. Okay, we haven't seen that. So I got a score of 8. It updates in my database. And if I go to another tab, it also updates it there immediately as well. And if I were to do it on this tab, I'm signed in with a different user. This user is named Carrot. If I was to get a score of, say, 10, it shows up in the leaderboard. And if we go to here, it's also shown up there. Okay, so the database updates in real time, and it works on multiple browsers. So how our code works is we coded this in JavaScript. We have our big word list with all the words, and we have basically all our code in the scene button and new button. That's mainly where all our code is. Our random word function, it randomly selects a word from here and applies that to the variable random element. And for our scene button, if the scene word list includes the random word, the score goes up by 1, and it changes the text box of score up by 1. So we add it to scene list if we have clicked the new button. If we have clicked the new button, it pushes the random element to the scene word list. So that's how you know that's how the computer knows if you have seen the word or not and whether to mark you right or wrong. Some of this is just if you're wrong and the word is in fact not in the scene word list and it is a new word, lives go down by 1, and it pushes it to the text box of lives. So lives would go down by 1 from 3 to 2. And that is basically it. And then just some simple game mechanics. If live is equal 0, send the score, pushes it to the database using this, and it reloads the tab just to reload the data table that we have here, and fetches the score and pushes it to this data table. And personally, I thought this was a very fun project and would like to do something using Firebase again.